sir.
Morning, nice to meet you. I'm Limar. I'm lead of IT consultant. You name Mr. Henry.
Yes, I am Elisa. I'm here for a job interview for a data scientist position.
Would you like to tell about yourself?
My full name is Elisa Saban. I am finished in 10 for qualification to as entrepreneur 1 day 4. My main career is software engineer. I have worked taking of office and work as from a free work.
Why do you want to this apply position?
I heard about this job application on of a friend, Vicky. I also work for this company as an IT support.
Won't give you now vacancy.
One of my strengths is my time management.
What are your strengths and weakness?
One of my weaknesses is that I lose my focus easily.
What are your salary expectations?
However, that is position with respect as the study grades confidence as a first growth.
Why should I hear you?
Research study in first appreciation for me.